Thank you, Mr. Chairman. An informed citizenry is a hallmark of American representative democracy, and without the free flow of information, we fail to hold those in power accountable. At the core of American exceptionalism is the liberty granted to its people to scrutinize its own government, as first witnessed by Thomas Paine in Common Sense. I want to thank Chairman Jordan for joining with the Intergovernmental Affairs Subcommittee and holding this hearing today. Our subcommittees have held a series of First Amendment hearings examining how certain rights, like the right to speak freely at college campuses, must be protected and reaffirmed. The American press has the freedom to report on matters of importance to the public without fear of recourse from the government. Yet over several administrations, the Justice Department has wielded tactics like threatening subpoenas and even imprisonment in an attempt to compel journalists to reveal their confidential sources. While these tactics may be used in good faith investigation of criminal matters, it does demonstrate why a federal shield law is critical. The Supreme Court addressed the freedom of the press in its seminal 1972 case, Brandsburg v. Hayes. In this case, Justice White said Congress has freedom to determine whether a statutory newsman's privilege is necessary and desirable, and to fashion standards and rules as narrow or broad as deemed necessary. Meanwhile, in the absence of a federal shield law, states have rolled out their own. As chairman of the Intergovernmental Affairs Subcommittee, I see the necessity of states to tailor laws and practices to fit the unique needs of their citizenry, but the emerging patchwork of state laws and federal circuit courts have left journalists unsure of their protections from the federal government and sends a chilling effect throughout the press. A federal shield law like H.R. 4382 will further empower journalists to pursue the truth and hold the government accountable. As Ranking Member Raskins pointed out, this is not the first time that a law like this has been introduced. It was introduced by then Representative Mike Pence, but also by Ted Poe, and now jointly by Chairman Jordan and Ranking Member Raskins. I want to thank my friend Chairman Jordan and my friend Ranking Member Professor Raskins for their leadership in this effort. I yield back.
Thank the gentleman. The right fine gentleman from Illinois is recognized. I got to spend some time with you in Ohio over the 4th of July and did a great job.